called hot air.
All right, and for this experiment, we will need a 2-liter bottle with a balloon on top of it. Make sure you blow it up a couple times so it'll blow up easier. You need a pan, an oven mitt, a stove,
Back there.
an adult,
Right there.
and a sink.
Snip, snip.
All right, so we are going to go get some water boiling, and we'll be back with y'all in just a minute. All right, Russell fam, our water is boiling, so now we are going to take our 2-liter bottle with our balloon that's put on top of it, and we're going to put it in the water, and make sure you're holding with an oven mitt, and make sure an adult does this. All right, we got to do it for 3 minutes.
Wow, that's blowing up.
Yeah.
Russell fam, comment down below if you knew that that was going to happen.
I think it's filling up with hot water.
I think it's all the hot air building up into the bottle.
Yeah.
We'll have to see what it's doing. All right, it says do this for 3 minutes. We've been doing it for a minute.
And if you guys want to do this experiment at home, there's a book we have called Science in the Beginning.
It's getting bigger.
And bigger.
Hey Becca, so do you think it's going to pop?
I don't think so.
I don't know what it's going to do. We're almost at 2 minutes. Y'all keep watching and let's see what it's going to do.
Hey, if y'all look closely in kind of the neck of the bottle, am I the only one that sees the little particles inside of the bottle?
That's the reflection of the water boiling.
Oh, okay. I'm standing by a light, so it's...
Mm-hmm. It's a reflection.
I'm staying next to the light too.
This is really cool.
It is cool.
I don't think it's getting any bigger. I think that's about as big as it's getting.
It's getting a little bit bigger.
All right, we're getting close to our 3 minutes. All right, when we get done with our 3 minutes, we're going to move it over to the sink, and we're going to run some tap water over it and see what happens to the balloon. All right, we're getting there. All right, it's been 3 minutes. So Bailey, turn on the tap water. And be, there you go. Turn it on.
Let's turn it on. There we
All right,
go.
coming. Watch out, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. All right, let's see what the balloon does.
Hot water reacting to cold water, I think is what they...
Watch the balloon. What's it doing?
Deflating, I think.
It is deflating. It's getting smaller. So,
That's really cool.
all right, Bailey, you want to keep running cold water over it?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't touch it at the bottom. Touch it up top where I have it. There you go. Keep running the cold water over it. Let's see how long it's...
I think it's probably going to take at least 3 minutes to cool down.
All right, what happened in this experiment? You should have seen that the balloon inflated as soon as the adult put the bottle in the boiling water. As the adult held the bottle in the boiling water, the balloon should have gotten larger. Then, when you poured cold water over the bottle, the balloon should have gotten noticeably smaller. If you put the bottle back in the boiling water, you should see it get bigger again. What explains the results of this experiment? Well, remember that even though the bottle looked like it was empty, it really wasn't.
Because of air?
There was air in the bottle. It turned out that the air actually takes up more space the hotter it gets. This is actually a very important thing. When most things warm up, they expand. Or, what's another word for expand?
Blow up?
Get bigger.
Oh, okay.
So that was a pretty cool experiment.
Okay, Russell fam. So remember to
Smash that like button and subscribe.
and get off video games, go outside and have some fun. Bye!
Bye.